This is Book in a Nook.
Papa, read the book.
Today's book is called HIC by Anushka Ravishankar and Christiane Pieper.
I hope it's a book about how to get rid of hiccups.
I think you're in luck, Mango. HIC has all sorts of remedies to cure the hiccups. For example, shout awala gulaga buga muga chik.
Awalaga mugu gugu jaga gig. Hic! Oh man.
Or spin round and round, just like a top. Until you're feeling sick.
Oh, I don't feel so good.
Kids, would you like to join us in our Nook to see if Mango gets rid of her hiccups?
Yay! Finally!
Just click on the link below or find us on YouTube.